Howdy folks, Kevin here. In today's little cigar and whiskey talk, I want to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart. In fact, if you would ask anyone, you would find out that I'm very, very anal about this subject. And I err way on the side of caution. Today, we're going to do a Deadwood Tobacco Company, Sweet Jane. A little tobacco. A little chilly in the shed today, and my space heater's trying to kick on. Hopefully it won't be distracting. And I'm going to wash it down with a little Bushnell's Red Bush Irish whiskey. What I want to talk about today is the United States flag. I see a lot of people basically going their own way with all this kind of stuff. The flag code was established a really long time ago. Now, since they have removed the penalties from the flag code, so you actually can't be prosecuted, or they won't prosecute you for violations of the flag code. Which I feel is wrong. That being said, nothing I can do about it. I'm one of those guys who is very anal about how you treat my flag. I see a lot of organizations altering the flag for their own purposes, you know, putting stripes on them of different colors and so on and so forth. And it's just wrong. Just wrong. I see this new black flag floating around. The U.S. doesn't have an official battle flag. Our battle flag and our national flag are the same flag. Now, like Japan, they've got a battle flag and they've got a regular peacetime flag. We don't have that. I see a lot of people using different ways to display the flag as a symbol of protest, which is also not right. I've had military guys argue this point with me about, well, you know, it's the First Amendment, blah, 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 blah. It's not the First Amendment. The First Amendment has to do with speech against the government, your protected speech against the government. You are free to speak against your government if you want to. Get a little hotter light on that. It's been in the humidor a while. Anyway. Now, a lot of people just don't know because we don't teach respect for the flag anymore. It's frowned upon to even talk about it because, you know, I should be able to do and say whatever I want to do. Well, no, you really shouldn't. Let's talk about the upside down flag for a minute. That was originally a distress signal for ships at sea, is what it was. Communications out, I'm in distress here, and it meant I am in immediate danger. Immediate. Not, hey, I'm going to fly my flag upside down because I'm mad at the president and Congress. If you've been flying your flag upside down for 3 years, the danger wasn't that immediate. Uh, I don't see how you can say you are for all of the freedoms and rights and things that we have in the United States, and then being disrespectful to the very symbol of all those rights. And yes, that's what the flag is. It's a symbol of everything. The Constitution, our rights, our freedoms, so on and so forth. It's a symbol of that. Uh, I've had military guys argue this with me, and it's one of those, well, it's just cloth and this and that. That's correct. Physically, that's all it is. It's cloth, it's thread, it's embroidery, it's dyes, it's so on and so forth. And physically, that's all it really is. But it's a symbol of all those things that us as military guys, uh, and citizenry too, are supposed to be uh, defending and upholding. I don't know how you could insult the symbol of all those rights. It's kind of like, hey, I support marriage and I'm going to show you this by shitting on my marriage license. So, it's kind of thing, right? Because your marriage certificate, it's just ink and paper, right? The upside down flag is one that really gets me. I see people flying it as their profile picture on Facebook or on different social media and so on and so forth. And generally, I just unfollow you if you do that. Uh, the military guys have argued with me. Now I understand because you weren't taught either. Uh, if you're not in a ceremonial unit, then you really don't go into all the flag details and so on and so forth. Uh, about all military guys in general are trained on is the raising and lowering of colors. And yeah, there's a way to do that too. All this is prescribed in the code. All of this is prescribed in the military ceremony manuals and so on and so forth. Uh, and I don't fault you if you just don't know. But if you're informed and you still continue to do it, then we have to assume that you are insulting the flag on purpose. Uh, and it's just like any other thing. If we overuse a certain thing, then it really doesn't mean anything anymore. Uh, I see us lowering the flag to half staff for absolutely no reason anymore. Uh, it really got me when we lowered the flag to half staff because a drug addict pop star passed away, and we lowered the flags to half staff for that. What you need to know about lowering the flag to half staff, I saw a post online the other day of a fire department that had lowered their flags at not just the one fire station, but all the stations in the department. They lowered all their flags to half staff because one of their long serving members passed away. Okay, I'm back. My wife brought me a cheeseburger. I don't know if that means I'm not welcome in the house anymore or what. She bought me a Wagyu beef burger. Pretty damn good. Anyway, back to what I was talking about, half staff. Uh, I see extended amounts of time that we lower the flag to half staff for certain uh, political figures who passed away, and just extended the time. There's a prescribed length in the flag code of how long a flag should be lowered to half staff for, based on who you're lowering it for to half staff for. Uh, I just see all this as an insult to our flag. And if you're insulting the flag, you're insulting everything that flag stands for. If this torques some of you off, really sorry about your luck. That kind of thing. Get some whiskey. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Anyway. This may be a short one. Or it may not be. I don't know. I guess what I'm saying here is don't co-opt the flag, the U.S. flag, for your own personal little symbols and so on and so forth. Hang on. Gotta see if I can adjust my focus. It's acting stupid again. Let me know if it does it anymore, because I may not notice it. Anyway, and basically, if it looks like a flag, treat it like a flag, that kind of thing. If you haven't done any research on your own, I suggest you go look up the United States Flag Code. And see what you should be doing. There are other ways that you can show that you're upset and protest and so on and so forth without insulting the very, very symbol of whatever you say you're protesting about. The United States flag is not a symbol of the government. It's a symbol of all of our rights and freedoms that we enjoy in this country, that many countries do not. I've been a lot of places in the world, and let me tell you something. Even the worst day here is better than the best days in a lot of places I've been. Yeah, we got problems. We've got a certain faction of the political persuasions that are hell-bent on making us like every other country that has failed. A little chunk of tobacco. That's really all I got to say. Take care of your flags. Honor them, respect them. Display them properly. And remember, the flag is not a symbol of your protest. It's a symbol of the freedoms and rights and things that we enjoy here in the United States. I think I did pretty well. Didn't manage to get shrill on this one. That's good. See y'all later. I got a couple of comments about the coffee cup. It's available in the Teespring store if you follow the link in the description of the video. Several different colors on there. These have held up well. They've gone through washing, lots and lots and lots of washings for me, and nothing's coming off of them. So they're doing really good. The only thing I will let you know is Teespring makes these things. It's a wrap that they put on here, and the handle will always be white. Always. The handle area will always be white, no matter what color you order. Look. Talk to y'all later. Have a good day.